the obligatory flat lay without it being a flat lay. 2 weeks to go. This is where the final stretch begins. It's funny, you train for months, you run in the heat and humidity, and then suddenly it's time to pack your life into a bag and fly home to see if it was all worth it. I spent the last 25 weeks training in a place that couldn't be more different from Wales. 30 odd degree days heat, humidity that crushes you, long runs that start at 4 in the morning just to survive the heat. It's not the most obvious place to prepare for a mountain ultra, but it's where this journey has taken shape. Packing to go home this time feels strange. I've done this so many times and not given it a thought, but this time is where everything is starting to become real for this ultra. For months now, it's just been laying out my gear the night before a training session, planning, hoping, doubting, and suddenly I'm packing my gear and the reality is that I'm doing this. I've tried as hard as I could in the conditions I've had. I've tried to stay consistent, I've tried to stay focused. Now it's time to go home and find out if it was enough. I think Abu Dhabi has shaped me. The heat has broke me more times than I can count. The humidity forced me to slow down, to be patient and to respect the process and build the aerobic engine. Maybe that's exactly what I needed, because now, 2 weeks out, I'm ready to leave this place behind for a little while and go back to where it all began, in the mountains. That's it then. Next stop, Wales and the mountains of Ban Ibrahiniog. The sense that running could be more than just exercise. It could be an escape. I never set out to run ultras. In November 2024, I decided I wanted my life back. The funny part is, I only set out to go hiking again, to escape to the mountains. Then after an evening of going down the dreaded YouTube hole, I ended up coming across trail running, so I decided to try and run instead of hiking. On November 2025, I took on the Elaine Half Marathon. I had no intention of running the full race. What I had in mind was to run 10k, walk for a bit, and finish with a shorter run. As it turns out, when I was 17k in, I realised that running the full 21.1k was within reach. So I did. A month later, I found myself on the start line of the Celtic Trail Races half marathon. 3 hours and 23 minutes later, I crossed the finish line, and that was it. I was hooked, well and truly. I recall that night, I went online in search of an ultra to sign up for. So after 25 weeks of training, next weekend is when I see if I am capable of becoming an ultra runner, albeit an enthusiastic amateur. I've had setbacks along the way, hamstring issues, glute issues, shoulder issues, but then again, what do you expect from someone who's seen the better side of 50 and hasn't been this fit in 40 years? To be fair, although I've now got 7 races under my feet of varying distances up to half marathon distance, I'm a bit nervous about this race. Not of the distance or the elevation gain, but of the unknown. When it comes down to it, if you've never done a race of distance, how do you know if you've done enough training for it? But apart from the physical side, can I drag myself through the mental barriers? Well, there's only one way to find out, and that's exactly why I'm doing this, to find out. get real now. 2 days out. So I'm coming up to Langors for registration, collect my race bib, which is in about an hour's time. Yeah, 5 o'clock they said. It's 4 o'clock now. So we thought we'd come up early, have a wander around, see what's going on. Be nosy as usual. But yeah, definitely starting to get real now. Especially when you see the mountains that we're involved. I don't know why I'm worried about it, because I know the mountains well. But seeing them again, it's like, yeah, okay. Anyway, it is what it is. Soon find out on Sunday, won't we?
Can I see your waterproof jacket?
Take the scene.
Nice. It's got a hood. Perfect. Nice. Yeah. Feel sturdy. Good. Yeah. And then your water capacity 1.5 litres.
I'll carry 2 litres. I've got 4 litres.
Perfect. And then your GPX files, either on your phone or watch.
On both. There are no one that's survey on this. We've downloaded maps, so it doesn't need a data signal. There it is.
Hello. Question. Yeah. My partner is going to be coming tomorrow.
I'll give you one of these.
Yep. My gran is pretty old.
Have you already got
Not
your
great.
bib, did you say?
Not yet, no.
Just
Yeah,
down
we'll
there.
still do it.
Thank you very much.
Keeping you there is free.
Oh. Are you doing the 50k race? I am, yes.
What's your surname?
Jones.
Are you also in
No, I'm not.
this vacation?
What was your first name?
Yeah, right.
So there's a lot of Joneses.
I'm sure there is this part.
3, okay. There you go.
Thank you very
Check
much.
it respond as well.
Thank you very much. I've got one, mate.
Oh, perfect.
Bell.
Well, we should probably start marking.
Thank you very much. That's it then. No backing out now. We're done. Signed on. Race bib. 2 days to go. No, definitely no backing out now. I'm looking up at those mountains. I now remember how big they are from walking them. But anyway, we'll give it a bash. Bring on Sunday is what I say. Simple as that.
If you come up to as far as myself and Dave, let's get the music on. Let's have a bit of Thunderstruck, guys, before we start. 20 seconds to go.
Oh, yeah.
Just over 3k in. First climb done and dusted. Legs feeling good. Nice and cool today. Oh, first trick point. Just approaching Minute Langos. Should be downhill to Tower from here. Checkpoint 1. It's 4.6k. Oh, fantastic views. That's 1k to go to the first checkpoint. Feeling pretty good. Well ahead of my original planned schedule. So I really need to watch the pace a bit. Slow it down a bit. Make sure we get to the end, not just halfway.
Like that.
$15k in, halfway between checkpoint 1 and checkpoint 2. We're just about up on the top of Pencarry-Calc. Oh, that last climb was brutal. It wasn't a climb, it was scrambling. Oh, anyway, scenery's still making up for it, look. Absolutely stunning, as always. Oh, that's the second big climb done. Up and down. Absolutely brutal going up. Really was. Wasn't much better on the knees coming down either. So, should be about a kilometre or so from the second checkpoint now. Oh, but feeling pretty good so far. Let's get there and get this done. Nearly there. Without a checkpoint for 10k or so, 4k to go. Nearly there. Oh, we're feeling alright. It was questionable at present. Fantastic view. Been wanting to say this all day. Just a park run to go. Nearly there. One last climb. How's that for a finish? Field full of horses. Absolutely stunning. 1 kilometre to go. No, 1 and a bit to go.
Right, here we have Geraint from Cwmbran, who's making his way back, having done 50k. And we understand that he's already decided to do 110k on the next one, or his family have decided for him. Geraint! We're watching out for the yellow hats. Geraint, you did it! Well done! Fabulous, well done Geraint. You're going to have a nice evening this evening. Help yourself to a drink there, they're non-alcoholic. Oh, can of cider. Very good. Well done. Well done to Geraint and the family. Congratulations. And thank you.